Okay, let's start looking at answering a few further questions. Is creativity limited to only arts? Or is it combining science? Or is it also to do with math? Or is it to do with technology? Or is it to do with teaching? Or to do with learning? Or to do with cooking? Oh wow, yes. I think I am between you and your dinner, and would be cooking. You may be getting the smell of it. Just hold on for some time. You would definitely have a lot of creativity that you would see on the plate that you would eat going forward today. Or is it in the music? Oh wow, yes. Or is it in the business? Or is it in the language? Well, creativity is in everything, as you already pointed out. Yes. Now just imagine if these are a few things that creativity exists in. If I start combining a few of them with arts and music, arts and fine arts, wonderful. That gives us a soothing feeling that calms us down, that probably motivates me, that encourages me, and a whole lot of perceptions that get built. Just imagine when my language and math combine together, subject of math, which most of us have phobia of. It is like the elephant being tied when it was small, and we manifest that going forward. If I put up mathematics in the most easiest of the language to explain, in the easiest of the words, in the easiest of the phrase, mathematics becomes a language to me. And what is mathematics made up of? If I were to correlate language to mathematics, it's all about adjectives, it's all about verbs, it's all about nouns that we use. All the operations in mathematics are like verbs. And what I do and what I get is just an equation, right? So if you look at correlation, and I'm sure you all do it, and I'm certain you're doing it on a day-to-day basis, creativity is all over the place. And only when I connect the dots, I would bring about something new. I would bring about something from nothing. I would start thinking outside of the box only when I correlate, only when I connect the dots, only when I'm able to get the relationship established. So, is it just a puzzle, or is it some piece of pie that meets my eye? Oh yes. Or is it the apple of my eye that is very close to my heart? Absolutely, everything. So I will finish off with this creative primitive, which is mainly the curiosity creativity cycle. Curiosity drives creativity, and creativity drives curiosity, which is simplified further, which means to say that curiosity increases my knowledge, creativity gets me to ask questions to be more curious. Well, curiosity doesn't just kill the cat, it increases my knowledge and enhances my creativity. So why not be creative? Okay. The whole is greater than the sum of the parts. Aristotle has been misquoted here. Don't believe that Aristotle was the first one to say this 2370 years back. Yes, he did so, but we have molded it in a way and got it to present it that suits us. Whereas he was actually talking about seeking to understand one of the most mysterious properties of a system in metaphysics. Doesn't matter. That is creativity. And it leads to a lot of other theories, Gestalt theory being one of them, and the importance of synergy of foundations, which led to Gestalt theory, wherein it talks about correlation. Let me leave you with this saying that creativity is the highest form of intelligence. Oh wow. Intelligence, we're all born with it. And Howard has got a theory of multiple intelligences, but wait a minute. I was born intelligent, but education ruined me. Probably yes. This I keep using it and I keep correlating to anything that I speak. And that's probably creativity. And I would want to leave you all with an equation which will define and refine your understanding of creativity. So some picture is equal to something plus something to the power of something. Oh my goodness. Okay, mathematics. Okay, paucity of time, I wanted to open this up, but paucity of time, I would just tell you creativity is curiosity plus correlation to the power of your imagination. So don't hold on to your imagination. Cultivate your creativity by igniting your curiosity and bring about the correlation of all that you know through your knowledge, through your wisdom. And success is 1% inspiration, 95% perspiration. I leave it to you. Creativity is 99% perspiration. So take action now. Do it now. There is nothing that will stop you from being creative, because creative thinking changes the world. And we need creative thinkers for all the miseries the whole world is going to as on date. And hope is the only one, and creativity is the other, which is going to take us out of all the miseries, if at all you want to look at it, or all the opportunities that lie ahead of us.